Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to reset oil light on Alfa Romeo Stelvio 2021, full guide. Start by parking the Stelvio, engage the parking brake, and switch the ignition to accessory mode. Use the left steering wheel buttons to navigate the driver display, open the service menu, and select Oil Life or Reset Oil. Confirm the reset when prompted and cycle the ignition to verify the warning is cleared. Access the instrument cluster menu using the left steering buttons and head to the service or vehicle status section. Scroll to Oil Life or Reset Oil and press OK to begin the reset sequence. When prompted, confirm the reset and wait for the display to acknowledge completion. Turn the ignition off and back on to ensure the oil light no longer appears and the system registers the reset correctly. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like to support more car tutorials. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker brings music, timers, and hands-free voice control while you work on your Stelvio, so you can play podcasts or set step timers with ease. Check the description for the Echo Dot link and other deals. Grab one if it suits you, and now let's get back to the video. If the cluster method does not work, try the infotainment maintenance menu or connect an OBD2 scanner with service reset capabilities. A dealer can perform a professional reset and inspect for underlying issues if the oil light persists. Never bypass a legitimate low oil or filter problem. Always verify oil level and condition before resetting the indicator to avoid engine damage or warranty issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.